Lucy!
I must be tripping.
Lucy!
Put these on.
Lucy!
Quiet back there. Are you sleeping? Maybe he's dead.
Let's go, Grandpa. Now, let me help you with that.
Lucy! Lucy!
Keep him safe, Doc. He's all we got.
Lucy!
Yeah, Lucy. Shut up.
Get down! Down on the ground!
Are you alone?
Me and Grandpa.
Is the zombie a threat? These two stay outside. Nothing happens without my order.
Keep that piece of shit quiet! Quiet!
Lucy!